Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick video about the new funnel that I've created to help market Livegood. Now, if you're a team member, you've already got these codes that I've sent over in an email the other day, and I'm going to show you how to stick those codes into Livegood and populate this funnel. So let me show you the funnel itself. Here's the first page of the funnel. Attention just launched and growing fast. Make your first commissions from online marketing. And then they put in their email here, press this button, I want free training, and it'll take them to this page here. So it'll do two things. It'll put them on your list that we're going to create, and it's going to come over here to this video sales letter or bridge page. And then there's a three-step process here. The first step is to watch the video that I've created. Second step is to sign up for Livegood. And third step is to sign up for Leadsleap. And here is the video sales letter. And it goes through the compensation plan of Livegood and also the products. So this is all good. Let's go over and I will show you how to implement this into Leadsleap. So here's your Leadsleap program. If you don't have Leadsleap, you can sign up for free in the link below. This is absolutely free, and I'm going to show you how to use the free version. And if you want to take the Livegood tour, sign up, get on my team, and get this code so you can just punch it in there. You can do that. If not, one of your team members, I'm sure, can rebuild this funnel fairly easily. So let's see, let's come over here. First thing we're gonna do is come down to email marketing list manager, and we're gonna create a new list. So we have to have a list for our new prospects to go on to. So we're gonna name it test, add new list, and then we have to activate it. So you click on this button. Leadsleap is very intuitive and it walks you through everything. So you need to put in your name. This is gonna be, so you put in your name, your email address, because you need your email address because they're gonna send you a code, a verification code to activate this list. And then put in your signature if you want, and your real address. Press this button here and save and activate, and then it'll be activated. So now that that is created, we are going to come over here to Page Builder, Page Manager, and we're going to add a new campaign, and we're going to name this Livegood Test, Add Now. And what we're going to do is come down here to add a page, add a new page. We're going to grab our share code. We're going to paste it in here, import now, and it populates the page. So here is our brand new page. We're going to launch the editor. Come in here, here's the video sales letter. You don't have to do anything with this. It's already pre-populated with the video. Only thing you have to do is come in here and change out your Livegood tour link. And this is going to be your affiliate link, and you're going to paste it right in here. So you put your Livegood tour affiliate link right in there. And if you have a Leadsleap, if you have a Leadsleap account, I'm sure you do. If you have a free account, you paste it in here, or you get 25% commission. Or if you have a pro account, then you get 50% commission. But either way, you punch in your Leadsleap affiliate link right in there and hit save. So now we're going to grab our other link and create another page. So we're going to add the new page, call this opt-in, number 2. You can name it whatever you want. Just one's an opt-in and the other one is the bridge page. And then we're going to once again come down here to add page, and we're going to punch in our code right here and hit import now. And there it is, opt-in page number 2. All we're going to do is launch the editor, and here we have it. So we come over here to the send seed list, and we have to change the list from my list to your list. And since we already created the list, all we have to do is get list ID, and here it is, the test ID. Okay, there's one other thing we want to do on this page is we want to change out the URL redirect to your page that you just created. So this is my page right here. So we want to come back over to our page manager, come down to our Livegood test page. We're going to click use and then copy this, come back over and paste it right here. And that will redirect to the page, to your page that you just inserted into Leadsleap. And then hit save, and that's it. So now you can see if they click on this button after watching the video, they will go straight over to your page here. This will have your name on it, the Livegood sign up page, and that's it. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you're looking to get into Livegood, just hit the link down below, take the tour, and sign up. As a pre-enrollee, you'll get a few of these pages. Not this particular funnel, but you will get some other already pre-made for you pages that you can start promoting Livegood with. All right, see you in the next video.